Hello everyone. So this tiny organ of yours will decide whether you will feel energetic or crashed. This is nothing but pancreas. Pancreas is a heterocrine gland. That means it has both the functions endocrine as well as exocrine. Endocrine function is because of certain cells called as islets of Langerhans. These are only 1 to 2% of the total pancreas. These islets of Langerhans are further divided into two types, that is alpha cell and beta cell. Alpha cell produces hormone called as glucagon and beta cell produces hormone called as insulin. Both these are peptide hormones and they help in maintenance of the blood glucose level in our body. Now let's talk about the glucagon. When the blood glucose levels are low or below the normal, alpha cell release the glucagon. This glucagon acts on hepatocyte, that means a liver cell, and it stimulates the liver cell to undergo glycogenolysis, that is breakdown of glycogen to produce more and more glucose. And it also stimulates cells to undergo gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis means synthesis of glucose but from non-carbohydrate sources such as proteins as well as fats. So this is how glucose is produced by the liver cells, and this glucose is then absorbed by the blood vessels and blood glucose level will rise to normal. Hence, this glucagon is a hyperglycemic hormone. Why? Because it is increasing the blood sugar level from low to normal. Insulin is produced by beta cells when the blood glucose levels are above the normal range. So, this insulin works on adipocytes as well as hepatocytes. In hepatocyte, it stimulates the cell to undergo glycogenesis. That means the excess of glucose from the blood vessels will be converted into complex carbohydrate, that is glycogen. It also enhances the cellular uptake of glucose and its utilization. Hence, what it is doing, it is reducing the blood sugar level from high to the normal. Hence, it is a hypoglycemic hormone. But if insulin fails to act, what happens? It leads to prolonged hyperglycemia. That means prolonged increased blood sugar level. This can cause a life-threatening disease called as diabetes mellitus. In diabetes mellitus, you will see symptoms like glycosuria, that means glucose in urine, then formation of the ketone bodies, increase in the blood pressure. But it can be treated with the insulin therapy. So I hope you understood the pancreatic hormones. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.